Attention Social Security beneficiaries, groundbreaking news just dropped regarding the January 3, 2025 payment round, and it's bigger than anyone expected. The Social Security Administration has confirmed that SSI and SSDI recipients will be receiving boosted checks worth up to $3,000 if you're one of the millions of Americans. Depending on these benefits, this video contains crucial information you can't afford to miss. Will you qualify for the full amount? When exactly will these payments hit your account, and what do you need to do to ensure you don't miss out? Stay tuned, because I'm about to break down everything you need to know about these massive payments. Before we dive into all the details about these boosted checks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way you'll never miss out on important Social Security updates that could put thousands of extra dollars in your pocket. Now let's get into the exciting details of this unprecedented payment increase. The Social Security Administration has just released comprehensive information about the January 3, 2025 payment round, and it's causing quite a stir in the beneficiary community. This isn't your typical cost-of-living adjustment. We're talking about a substantial boost that could significantly impact the lives of millions of SSI and SSDI recipients across the country. First, let's address the question that's on everyone's mind: where is this money coming from? The increased payments are part of a comprehensive benefit adjustment package that takes into account several factors, including recent inflation rates, increased living costs, and special provisions made to address the unique challenges faced by disability beneficiaries. This isn't a temporary measure or a one-time payment, it's a permanent adjustment to the benefit structure. Let's break down exactly who qualifies for these boosted payments. The increase applies to both Supplemental Security Income (SSI) and Social Security Disability Insurance (SSDI) recipients, but the exact amount you'll receive depends on several factors, including your current benefit level, your living situation, and whether you receive both SSI and SSDI concurrently. For SSDI recipients, the boost is particularly significant. The maximum monthly payment could increase by up to $250, leading to that $3,000 annual boost we're discussing today. This adjustment takes into account the increased costs disabled individuals face for medical care, specialized equipment, and daily living expenses. The Social Security Administration has recognized that previous benefit levels weren't keeping pace with the real-world expenses of disabled Americans. SSI recipients will see similar increases, with the federal benefit rate seeing its most substantial bump in recent history. This is particularly important for those who rely solely on SSI for their income, as these individuals often face the most severe financial challenges. The boost ensures that these vulnerable beneficiaries will have more resources to meet their basic needs. What makes this January 3 payment round especially noteworthy is its timing. To plan their annual budgets, one crucial aspect many beneficiaries are asking about is how this increase might affect their other benefits. Here's the good news: the Social Security Administration has worked closely with other federal and state agencies to ensure that this boost won't negatively impact other assistance programs. This means that in most cases your eligibility for Medicare, Medicaid, SNAP benefits, or housing assistance won't be jeopardized by these increased payments. For those receiving concurrent benefits, both SSI and SSDI, the calculation becomes more complex. The Social Security Administration has implemented special provisions to ensure that concurrent beneficiaries receive their fair share of the increase without running into issues with income limits or benefit offsets. This careful coordination ensures that no one falls through the cracks or experiences unintended reductions in their total benefit package. Let's talk about the practical aspects of receiving these increased payments. For the vast majority of beneficiaries who use direct deposit, the boosted amount will automatically appear in their bank accounts on January 3, 2025. If you receive paper checks, they will be mailed out according to the regular schedule, but will reflect the new higher amount. One aspect that's particularly important to understand is how these increased payments might affect your reporting requirements. While the basic rules for reporting income and changes in living situation remain the same, the higher benefit amounts might change how certain income limits and thresholds apply to your situation. It's crucial to stay informed about these requirements to avoid any issues with your benefits. The Social Security Administration has also announced improved communication methods regarding these changes. They'll be sending detailed notices to all beneficiaries in December 2024 explaining exactly how much their individual increase will be and any specific actions they need to take. These notices will include personalized information based on your benefit category and current payment amount. For those wondering about taxation implications, it's important to note that these increased benefits will follow the same tax rules as regular Social Security payments, depending on your total income up to 85% of your Social Security benefits might be taxable with these higher payment amounts. Some beneficiaries might want to consult with a tax professional to understand how this could affect their tax situation. The payment boost also includes some special provisions for certain categories of beneficiaries. For example, those with dependent children might see additional increases in their family benefits. The Social Security Administration has recognized that family supporting children while dealing with disabilities face unique financial challenges and has adjusted the benefit calculations accordingly. Another important aspect of these boosted payments is their impact on back pay and retroactive benefits for those who are in the process of applying for benefits or awaiting approval. The new higher payment amounts will be used to calculate any back pay you might be entitled to receive. This could result in significantly larger lump sum payments for new beneficiaries who have been waiting for approval. The Social Security Administration has also improved its appeals and reconsideration process in conjunction with these payment increases. If you believe your boosted payment amount hasn't been calculated correctly, there will be streamlined procedures for requesting a review of your benefit calculation. This ensures that all beneficiaries receive the full amount they're entitled to under the new payment structure. For those who help manage benefits for others as representative pays, it's important to understand and how these increased payments might affect your responsibilities. The higher payment amounts might require adjustments to how you budget and manage funds for your beneficiary. The Social Security Administration will be providing additional guidance specifically for representative pays to help navigate these changes. Let's address some common concerns about these boosted payments. Some beneficiaries worry that accepting these increased amounts might trigger a continuing disable review or affect their disability status. Rest assured, these payment increases are completely separate from the medical review process and won't impact your disability determination in any way. The Social Security Administration has also implemented new protections to prevent scams related to these increased payments. Remember, you don't need to pay anyone or provide personal information to receive these boosted payments. They will be automatically applied up to your existing benefits. Be wary of any calls or emails claiming you need to take action to receive your increase. For working beneficiaries who receive SSDI, the substantial gainful activity SCA limits will also be adjusted in coordination with these payment increases. This means you'll have more flexibility in terms of how much you can earn while maintaining your eligibility for benefits. The exact SCA limits for 2025 will be announced alongside these payment increases. The impact of these boosted payments extends beyond individual beneficiaries. The increased spending power of millions of Social Security recipients will have positive effects on local economies across the country. This economic stimulus effect was one of the factors considered when determining the size of the benefit increase for those considering applying for SSI or SSDI. These higher payment amounts might affect your decision-making process. The more generous benefits might make it more feasible to stop working if your medical condition requires it. However, remember that the application process and medical eligibility criteria remain unchanged. Only the payment amounts are increasing. The Social Security Administration has also announced enhanced online services to help beneficiaries manage their increased benefits through the My Social Security Security portal. You'll be able to see detailed breakdowns of your new payment amounts, access benefit verification letters reflecting the increases, and manage various aspects of your benefits more efficiently. Looking ahead, these boosted payments are designed to be sustainable long-term. The Social Security Administration has confirmed that these increases are fully funded and won't impact the program's long-term stability. This should provide peace of mind to beneficiaries who rely on these payments for their financial security. It's worth noting that these increases also affect Medicare-related aspects of Social Security benefits. The Social Security Administration has coordinated with Medicare to ensure that any premium increases don't significantly offset the benefit boost. The hold harmless provision continues to protect beneficiaries from having their net Social Security payments decreased due to medical care premium increases. As we approach the January 3rd payment date, it's crucial to ensure that your contact information and payment details are up to date with the Social Security Administration. While the increases will be applied automatically, having correct information on file ensures you'll receive any important communications about your benefits and that your payments will arrive without delay. In conclusion, these $3,000 boosted checks represent a significant improvement in the financial support provided to SSI and SSDI beneficiaries. The January 3rd, 2025 payment round will bring welcome relief to millions of Americans who depend on these benefits for their daily needs. Remember, you don't need to take any special actions to receive these increases. They will be automatically applied to your existing benefits. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, And share it with anyone who might benefit from this important information. If you have specific questions about how these increases will affect your situation, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to address them in future videos. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest Social Security news and updates. I'll see you in the next video.